the first step. Go ahead. Good. Okay, so this is x squared. No numbers will be common, right? Please remember when you do this that you should have no fractions ever in the brackets. Okay, I had a student 1 year, and even from grade 10, he'd take out a 2 always and do changes to 2x squared bracket x plus 5 over 2. Don't do that. It makes your teacher very unhappy. Okay, technically it's correct, but it's going to cause you major headaches. All right, Tiana, you're not done. What's common, please, between negative 10x and negative 25? Yeah. It's okay. I'll help. Now, even for the other one, I said you had 5x plus 12. Okay. Remember that these brackets have to match up. So when you say 5x plus 12, that's a problem, right? All right, Dustin, what's the final step here, please? Yeah? Oh, careful. Yeah, x squared minus 5, right? This and this. And then you go to whatever's in the brackets. Right, so the bracket, the brackets turn to 1 and then the left one. All right, we good? Are most people somewhat good? With some practice, you guys can do this? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Good. Okay, 2 mistakes in my life. One was this haircut, and the second one was that question.
Yeah, you got a hair.
You didn't give me 2 cupcakes yet, right? Oh, yes. Here we go. Grouping is a difference of squares. Okay. This is a rare type of factoring that generally only comes up in math textbooks. All right. We'll go up to example 9. But it's sometimes useful. Now we're going to do this. This can be simplified, but I'm going to do this out my way. And please just play along for right now. Okay, and then we'll go with. Okay, x squared minus 6x plus 9. Right? This can actually be factored. We'll do this first step. We'll leave the minus 1. How do we factor x squared minus 6x plus 9? Multiply to 9, add negative 6. What are the two numbers that multiply to 9 and add negative 6? Negative 3 times negative 3. Okay. In fact, I'm going to write this as x minus 3 squared. And put a negative 1 in there. Excuse me. So again, x squared minus 6x plus 9 is the same as x minus 3 times x minus 3, which is x minus 3 squared. Now, this is the aha moment. It says grouping is a difference of squares. This is still a difference of squares. Why is this, although it doesn't look like it, considered to be a difference of squares still? What's that? There's a negative. There's 2 terms, and both of them are squared. Okay. So what I'm going to do is when I factor this as a difference of squares, can I get someone that has broad shoulders and isn't afraid if I say this is incorrect? Please be brave. What's this answer going to be for difference of squares? What's the first bracket going to be? Uh-oh. How does difference of squares go in English? One goes plus, one goes minus, right? That's the difference of squares go. Somebody be brave. Yeah, it's going to, well, we'll do x minus 3 minus 1 and x minus 3 plus 1. Okay, so if you take a look, right, The square root of x minus 3 squared is just x minus 3, right? And then one's a negative, one's a plus. I'm going to neaten this up to x minus 4 times x minus 2. Now you're probably saying, well, Mr. Sadler, I'm a genius of math, which you all are, and if you were to change that plus 9 to 9 minus 1 to 8, you would have got the same thing. This is just an example because we're going to do more difficult ones here right now. Are we okay on the difference of squares part? There's something there, right? Are we okay on the difference of squares part? How do you look forward? Does that mean you understand this completely, I hope? Or it's whatever your head goes into options? Yes, we certainly can. Before I get on, let's go to example 10. Let's go crazy. This is, in fact, still a difference of squares. Okay? Why is that a difference of squares? There's a square and it's negative. What does 16 change into? 4. So can somebody be brave and give me what the bracket's going to be? Can somebody be brave and give me what the bracket's going to be? Go ahead.
Okay, it's going to be slow.
Go ahead.
Okay, 2x.
Yeah.
Does it matter what verb I do plus or minus?
No, go ahead.
Yeah, okay, minus 3.
Yeah.
Plus 4.
Yeah.
And then 2x minus 3 minus 1.
The 16, the square root of 16 is 4, so that's where the plus and minus is. The 2x minus 3, the square root of 2x minus 3 squared is just this. That's not quite in perfect form. What's the final step here for this? Albert, go ahead.
So you do bracket 2x.
Yeah. Just expect on your next quiz, which is going to be next Wednesday, a week from today, I'm going to give you a question that looks like this. If you decide to FOIL it out, you will still be able to factor it using decomposition. It will still work. This is a lot quicker, though. That's bad. I'll give you one more to try without my help. This is a little bit better. Kyle, you're still sort of... Let's pick up the most difficult question I can think of, right? Most difficult question. Oh, Mr. Sadler. You are one cruel human being. Okay, I'm going to hit pause. I want you guys to try this.